Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Apriliana. My name 642411779. First of all, Honorable Miss Rizky Mirani. Pratama, as a leader in English course, or I will explain a speech about banning smoking in campus areas. Can confide that smoking can be harmful to health and have a negative impact on academic achievement. Smoking can cause pneumonia, bronchitis, and pneumonia. Smoking can interfere with brain functions, including memory, concentrations, and cognitive abilities. Smoking can cause school ex-leaders or teenagers to experience less focus in studying, have difficulties studying, listen becomes less active, experience anxiety disorders, and have caused depression. Hello, back again with me April, or I will explain what the is in question word. What is the question word? The question word, or as we call them, VH question or interrogative word used to from question in English. Does it sound familiar? That's right. VH question are what we call five V and 1 8 in English. They help us get the information we need in conversion of wording. What is are some of the question word? Question word can be divided into the following category: who, what, when, where, why, and how. These are the 5 V and 1 8 that we know. However, of course, 3 in some time missing right in English is does not only consist of 5 V and 1 8, but in addition to that we mentioned about 3 are other addition, namely which, cause, and whom. Who is an English interrogative word used to ask about the identity of a person, of group of people involved in a particular event, activity, or context. The who function helps us to identify the relevant person or subject in a cause. For example, what is your cousin? Who are you? What is the grill? What fed the cats? What is your favorite idol? What? What is an English interrogative word used to ask about object, activity, or concepts that occur or the involved in a particular event, activity, or context? Its function into obtain information about a particular object, activity, or context in a conversation or situation. For explain, what is your father name? What do you like? What does your father was? What did you cook yesterday? What will you plan tomorrow? When? When is a English interrogative word used to ask about the times or period of time in which a event causes in function to obtain information about a specific time or period in a conversation or situation, as we as helping us to understand the question of the schedule of a event. For explains, when are you going to get married? When was the last times you had lunch with her? When did you when is your birthday? When is the edition happen? Where? Where is a English interrogative word used to ask about the location or plans we sometimes have in a conversation or situation, or explain where did you live before, where did Leah go last week, where is your house address, Leah, where is your favorite place, we are going now, why. This word is used to ask for the reason behind an event, situation, conclusion, or situation. So when we want to know why something happened or why someone did something, we can ask why. For example, why did they do that? Why was she sad? Why were your legs? Which is an English interrogative word that helps us choose between several options. Its function is to request information about a particular cause from a number of available options, help us in decision making, or to identify a specific object or person in a particular situation or context. For example, which book are you reading right now? Which color do you prefer, red or blue? Which route is faster to get to the airport? Which restaurant serves the best rendang meat? Warm is a question word used to ask about the person who is the object in a sentence. Warm helps us determine the relationship between the subject and object in a sentence. For example, the girl I met yesterday is Helen's sister. Sinta invites to my party does want to come. The person I call in my grandmother. Tomorrow, Mia will send the letter to the man I recommended yesterday. The money my mom heard yesterday was a doctor. Was in an English interrogative word used to ask about the ownership or was property a strange object or thing belongs to. For example, Sean Cow's father helped me yesterday is wearing the same clothes as me. This is my picture with Angga, cause older brother is a actor. Naomi cause car in the next one is next to me. Mia comes with Sania cause hair is pink. The person who is standing right, she is Yona, who is parents are billionaire. How is English interrogative word used to ask about the manner of process of how events a station or action is for her in function is to obtain information about the methods or products involved in a situation or activity. For explain how to make a swan sketch, how to buy a plane ticket, how to make a swan sketch, or to buy a plane ticket. What are the exercise of healthy respiratory organs. From what to how every VA question has in gathering info in English, understanding how to looks and function. VA question makes learning English easier. So, keep practicing and exploring. By better understanding VA question, we can become better at asking, understanding, and interacting in everyday English. Okay, see you. Thank you.